Hello everyone. So in this video, we will learn how to automatically add form responses to Google Sheets and send notifications on Slack or email. So let us begin with a small example. So as you can see, I have built a form on Typeform and the name of the form is registration for PHP workshop. Now remember this, I am using Typeform. You can work with any other app like Jotform, Google Forms, etc. Okay, so let's just fill the details. So the name of the person is Matthew Perry. Okay, and this is the email address michaelkaras481 at the rate gmail.com. Okay, and let me just add some numbers. So basically this is the phone number of Michael Karas or Matthew Perry, and then we have the city as Tokyo. Okay, and let me just click on submit. So the form submission has been made by a guy called as Matthew Perry with the email address michaelkaras481 at the rate gmail.com. So basically all the details will be entered into Google Sheets first. Okay, so as you can see, we do have the details of Matthew Perry in Google Sheets. The name is Matthew Perry, this is the email, this is the city, and this is the phone number. And what's next? So basically I'm going to take you to my Slack channel. So as you can see, this is the message, new registration, name is Matthew Perry, this is Michael Karas, that is email, phone, as well as the city. And then I will be automatically sending an email to Michael Karas or Matthew Perry. So let me just show you the message that Matthew Perry or Michael Karas has received. Okay, so this is the message that Michael has received. Hello Matthew Perry, thank you for joining the PHP workshop. You will be getting updates on this email address. Excellent. So now you're thinking, how did I do it? How did I manage to send the data from Typeform to Google Sheets, Gmail, and Slack? So basically, here I have used an integration and automation software called as Pabbly Connect that integrates Typeform, Google Sheets, Slack, and Gmail. Now, the best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is actually no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. Let me just show you the process. So basically, in the new tab, all you have to do is just type pabbly.com, 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 press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com, hover on products, and here you will find the option that is connect. Click on connect. Okay, so this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Just click on sign in. Okay, so basically this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Let me just scroll down and here you will find connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so basically we are going to create a new workflow to integrate Typeform, Google Sheets, Slack, and Gmail. So let me just click on this button, create workflow. Okay, so we have to give a name to this workflow. How about Typeform? Typeform to Google Sheets. To Gmail. To Slack. And let me just click on create. Okay, so now basically we are going to create a new workflow to integrate Typeform, Google Sheets, Gmail, and Slack. Now there is something you should know that I will add the link of this workflow in the description box. So you can just clone it and directly access it into your account. Okay, so as you can see, we do have two windows, the trigger window as well as the action window. Now basically in the choose app, all you have to do is select the app as Typeform because we want to send the data from Typeform. That is why Typeform it is. Now in the trigger event, how about we make it as new entry? Okay, so new entry is a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question, if this condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new response or a new entry is made in Typeform, then what action should be taken by the system? Now at present, we only have one trigger event, but in case if you want more trigger events, go to the help section. Okay, so when you go to the help section, you will be straight away redirected to Pabbly forums, and here you can make a request that you want so and so trigger events. Okay, so let me just cancel this. So basically the gist is we are just trying to integrate Typeform to Pabbly Connect. So let me just click on connect. In the new connection name, let me just click on connect with Typeform. Okay, so Pabbly Connect is demanding access, so let me just click on accept. Authorization successful, just press OK. So as you can see, by default it is showing the form as form data entry 101. Now basically let me just show you all the forms. So basically these are all the forms that is present in my Typeform account. So let me just show you the Typeform account. So these are all the forms. We have form data entry, MailChimp subscribers, and registration for PHP workshop. So basically the idea is that I'm going to work with this particular form. Okay, I repeat this again. I'm just going to work with this particular form. So that is why I'm just going to mention it as registration for PHP workshop. So basically the idea is that when I click on save and send test request, Pabbly Connect will establish a connection with this particular form, registration for PHP workshop. Excellent. So it is showing it is now waiting for the response. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to go to the share part and let me just copy the link. Okay, so this is the link and let me just open this in a new tab. So basically now we are going to conduct an experiment. The experiment is, are we capable of receiving the data in Pabbly Connect? Okay, so let us enter some more details. So we have a person called as Lichi. Okay, so this is a person, the full name. And this is the email address. Let me just show you the email address. Okay, and this is the phone number of Liji. Okay, and this is the city. She lives in New York. New York. Okay, just click on submit. Okay, so a form submission has been made by a person called as Liji Manuel. She has entered her email, she has entered her phone number, and also her city of residence. So basically the idea is that now the Pabbly Connect is integrated with this particular form. Pabbly Connect has to capture the data. So let's have a look. Let's have a look whether Pabbly Connect, yes, Pabbly Connect has indeed captured the data. So these are the details. Let me just scroll down. So we have the person's name, that is Liji Manuel. Then we have the email lijimanuel27@gmail.com. And then this is the city, and where is the phone number? Okay, so this is the phone number. Okay, so we have got all the details. Now we are going to send all these details to Slack, Gmail, and Google Sheet. Let's deal with Google Sheet first. Okay, so basically we are going to create a database. So in the Choose app, let me just add Google Sheets. Google Sheets. Okay, this one. And in the action event, how about we make it as add new row? Okay, so your obvious question is why we are mentioning the action event as add new row. I will explain you in a bit. Let me just click on connect. Now, before we click on connect, there is something I have to do. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a new Google Sheet for this particular database. Okay, so let me just create on blank, click on blank. Okay, so the name of the sheet I'm going with is PHP new registration. And let me just add some fields. How about name? Then we have email. Then we have I think the phone number. And then we have the city. Okay, excellent. So let me just bold this. Okay, so we have established 4 columns: name, email, phone, and the city. Now the reason I have mentioned is add new row is the data will be automatically inserted in this particular row in adjacent cell. So first the data will be inserted in this cell, then this cell, and this cell. Okay, so let me show you how it's done. Just click on connect with Google Sheets. And out of all these accounts, I am going with this particular account. Click this. Okay, now it is asking me to confirm my choice. Let me just press allow. Authorization complete. Excellent. Okay, so as you can see, we have set of blanks. Now the purpose of this blank is we are going to send the data from our Typeform into Google Sheet via Pabbly Connect. Now, as you can see, the select spreadsheet, it is already showing PHP new registration. Now, these are all the spreadsheet that is present in my Google Drive account. See, it doesn't matter which type file it is, all is being shown here. We have zip files, we have all the files. Okay, so as you can see, these are all the files. So as you can see, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. Now the purpose of these blanks is very simple. We are going to insert data into Google Sheet from Okay, so as you can see, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. Now, the purpose of these blanks is very simple. We are going to send the data into Google Sheet that we have collected from Typeform via Pabbly Connect. So, in the first field, we have select spreadsheet, and it is by default showing PHP new registration. Now, this is the spreadsheet that I want to insert my data in, that is PHP new registration. So, I'm just going to keep it that way. Okay, now, of course, we do have a ton of spreadsheet, and it is being reflected in the drop down. Now, I am just happy with the spreadsheet, that is the newly created one, PHP new registration. In the select sheet, it is showing sheet 1. This is because there is only one sheet, that is sheet 1. Okay, now with regards to the name, email, phone, and the city. So basically, it is the same columns we have: name, email, phone, and city. Now we are going to insert a new row containing the cells for the name, email, phone, and the city. And these are the adjacent cells in the same row. Okay, so let's start mapping, and this is how you will map. So first of all, we have the name from here. Okay, so this is the name. Let me just show you the name. Okay, this is the data that we have collected from a Typeform. So the name was Ligi, I think, Ligi Manuel. Okay, so let me just scroll down. Okay, and let me just click on the field and let me just map the name. So the name is Ligi, and let me just scroll down and let me just map the name. Okay, Ligi Manuel, and we have mapped it. Easy. Now we have the email. So this is how you map the email. So let me just map the email. Let me just scroll down. Okay, yeah, and we have mapped the email. Then we have the phone number. So this is how you map the phone number. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and let us figure out where is our phone number, and we have mapped it. Then we have the city. So this is the city. I think it was New York. Okay, the city was New York, and we have mapped it. Okay, so we have mapped all the fields. All we have to do at this point to insert all this data in Google Sheet is just click on this blue button, save, and send test request. Okay, so the response is the data has been sent to Google Sheet. So let's have a look. Yes, we have all the data. We have all the data in one single row in different cells. We have Ligi Manuel, that's the name. We have the email, we have the phone, and we have the city. Okay, so the first part of the integration is over. We have integrated Typeform to Google Sheet. Now let's deal with Typeform and Slack. So to deal with Slack, we are going to introduce one more window. So just click on this plus button, and in the choose app, let's add Slack because we want to send the data to Slack. That is why. Okay, so now in the action event, how about we make it as send channel message without image? Okay, this one, send channel message. Okay, send channel message without image. Where is it? Let me just show you send channel message without image. This one. And let me just click on connect. In the new connection name, click on connect with Slack. Okay, so now it is demanding access. Before you press allow, let me just tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. So on the basis of that trust, let me just press allow. Authorization successful, just press OK. So we do have a series of blanks. Once again, the idea is very simple. We are going to compose a message in Slack from the data that we have collected from Typeform via Pabbly Connect. Now, by default, it is showing the channel as general. So basically, these are all the channels that is present in my Slack account. Let me just show you. So these are all the channels that is present in my Slack account. Now, I have an idea. How about we create a new channel? So let me just click on add channel, create a new channel. And the name of the channel should be something like PHP workshop data. Okay, workshop. And let me just click on create. Okay, I'm going to add 4 people. Let me just click on done. Okay, so a new channel with 4 people have been created. So what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to select this particular channel and make sure that this channel comes here. And so to do that, let me just click on this refresh button. Okay, so let's explore the drop down. Okay, so the name of the channel is PHP workshop. PHP workshop data. Excellent. Now the message type, I'm planning to keep it as plain text. Now we have to compose a message. So the message would be registration, new registration made. Now remember this, if you want to enter a new line in Slack, you have to introduce by this word, that is /n. And after that, I'm just planning name, colon, and let me just map the name. And again, this is something you get from Typeform. I think the name was Ligi. Let me just straight away search for Ligi. Okay, Ligi Manuel, and we have mapped it. Easy. And I'm going to put the email also in the next line, /n email. Okay, colon, And let me just map the email. So email was, I think, Ligi Manual something. So this is the one, and we have mapped it. Easy. And once again, we are going to enter the phone number in the next line. Phone number colon, and it was starting with 8 or something. So if we can figure it out, what was the phone number, we don't have to search it, but I don't remember the phone number, so we have to search it. Okay, so this is the phone number and we have mapped it. Excellent. And we are going to introduce one more line to mention the city. City colon, and let's map the city. So the city is, I think, New York. Yeah, New York. Okay, so we have made the message. So my name is Michael. I'm just making sure that this name will never change. Okay, so that is why I have entered the static one, Michael. So we have mentioned the channel and we have mentioned the message type as plain text. We have composed the message and the bot name is Michael. That is basically my name. All we have to do is to send the message is just click on save and send test request. Let me do that. Okay, so the message has been sent. So let's have a look. So new registration made, name Ligi Manual, the email is ligimanual27@gmail.com. This is the phone and this is the city. Excellent. Now what's next? So basically now we have to deal with the third thing, that is Gmail. So let me just introduce one more window. Okay, in the choose app, let's mention it as Gmail. Gmail it is. And in the action event, send an email. Then let me just click on connect. In the new connection name, let me just click on connect with Gmail. Okay, so again, these are the series of account. Now I plan to send Gmail using this account. So let me just select this. Okay, so it is asking me to confirm my choice. Let me just press allow. Authorization successful, just press OK. Okay, so let's start mapping in the details. It wants the recipient name. So we already know the recipient name is Ligi. Okay, so let's map that name. Okay, so this is something you get from the first accordion of Typeform, basically the trigger. Now we have the recipient name, recipient email address. I think we have to go back to the email address, that is Ligi Manual. Okay, so we will be sending the email message to this address. And the sender name, my name is Michael. Okay. And this is the sender address. Okay, so the address is this @gmail.com. Okay, excellent. And the email subject is welcome to class. Okay, and the email content is hello. And we are going to introduce a new line. Okay, and we are going to go to the first accordion, hello, and we are just going to map in the name. The name is Ligi Manual and we have mapped it, comma, welcome to PHP registration class. You will be getting regular updates on this email. And once again, let's map the email address of Ligi Manual. Okay, so this is the email address of Ligi Manual and we have mapped it. Excellent. Hello, Ligi Manual. Welcome to PHP registration class. You will be, I'm sorry, it's written you will be getting regular updates on this email address. Excellent. So at this point, all we have to do to send an email is just click on save and send test request. Let me do that. Okay, so the message is a positive one. It is showing the email has been sent. So let me just straight away take you to the profile of Ligi Manual and let me just show you the message that she has received. Okay, so this is the message. Hello, Ligi Manual. Welcome to PHP registration class. You will be getting regular updates on this email address. Excellent. So the presence of this email confirms our integration is working smooth. We have integrated Typeform to Google Sheets to Slack to Gmail. Now, before you leave, let me just explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So let me just minimize this action window. Let me just minimize this action window. Let me just minimize this action window and let me just minimize the trigger window. So basically, this is the whole process in a nutshell. First, you integrated Typeform to Pabbly Connect and then you have added all the data into Google Sheet. After that, you have made sure that Slack is connected to Pabbly Connect. You composed a message and sent it as a notification. After that, you did the same thing with Gmail. You integrated Gmail to Pabbly Connect, composed a message and sent an email. So now there's a perfect flow of data between Typeform, Google Sheets, Slack and Gmail. Excellent.